Hi, I'm Bryce with superservice.com. Here's how to buy a wireless broadband router. There's a couple of things to keep in mind when looking for a wireless router. The biggest of those is if it has the modem built into it or not. If you're looking for a wireless broadband router that has the modem built in and you're using DSL, this is something that will normally work fine and will allow you to eliminate all the extra boxes. So instead of having a DSL modem that's hooked to your router that then sends out the signal, you would have an all-in-one box that has the DSL modem built into the wireless router. Most of the DSL companies out there will allow you to do this and are very easy to set up. On the other hand, if you have cable internet service, there are wireless broadband routers out there that have the cable modem built into them, but most of the cable internet providers out there will not allow you to use your own cable modem equipment if it's got the wireless router built into it. You may have to purchase this directly from the cable internet provider. That's just something to keep in mind when you're looking at a wireless router, to make sure if you need the modem built in, if you're using DSL, it's probably okay. If you're using cable, you may run into a problem. So you might want to check with your cable internet provider before buying an all-in-one unit. Aside from that, when you're actually going to purchase the unit itself, if you go to a retail outlet, you're going to want to look at the different styles of wireless connections that can connect to that router. Most of today's newer routers will have wireless N technology or wireless N+. This allows you to connect to the fastest and widest range connections that you can. This means that if you're in a home or office and you have the wireless N router set up, that you can access that router from up to 1,000, sometimes 2,000 feet away. Whether there's obstructions in the way or not, it's not going to matter. You're still going to get that good connection. The beauty of the wireless N routers is that they're also backwards compatible. So they'll usually accept a wireless B or wireless G connection to that router without any problem. So if you've got the newest and latest and greatest laptop card or desktop card for wireless internet, you'll be able to access that wireless N router. But even if you've got a couple of years old machine, that one will still connect to the router without a problem. The thing to keep in mind is if you go and you find the fire sale items at your retail outlet and they've got this router on sale that's a wireless G or a wireless B and it's $39 or $29, you need to make sure and look at that, because your newer laptop may connect, but it's not going to connect as fast as it could, and you're also going to have problems with it not connecting at the same range. So you might only have a 1 to 200 foot range or 400 at the absolute best. But those are the things to keep in mind when buying a wireless broadband router.